creating something timeless. So, very Porsche's words. Ladies and gentlemen, what does it mean? For us at Porsche, it means sticking to principles on design, on engineering, and on performance. Ignoring short-term trends, doing more with less, not equipping the car with the biggest engine you can find, but with the one that fits the concept best. And constantly refining those core principles so that they stay relevant. By doing so, you get a car with a unique character, intensified with every generation. You get the Porsche 911, the original sports car. The 911 is the heart of Porsche. And this has been the case since 1963. After 7 generations, we now welcome the latest 911. A car that our long-standing fans will love just as much as the postmodern generation. Porsche is famous for its timeless design, and the new 911 proves it again. It has clear links to the original, and at the same time, it hits the spirit of the time. The 911 has spent many hours in the gym. It's more compact and crisp. Inside, it is a lot more intuitive with a new Porsche Advanced cockpit. With 443 horsepower in the US, which equals 450 metric horsepower, the new S model is already as powerful as the GTS of the last generation. Top speed 191 miles per hour. The power is controlled by a new 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. That continues the evolution of the 911 towards greater efficiency. And of course, later next year, our traditional manual will be available as well. We have added performance and cut down emissions, thanks to more sophisticated engineering, such as the new injection technology inside our 6-cylinder flat engine. In fact, since the 80s, the 911 has become 70% more powerful, but almost 30% more efficient. We also demand more tech on the digital side, and the 911 delivers. The world's first red mode detects water on the road. It warns the driver while preparing the car's control and safety systems to react. An optional night vision system uses a thermal camera to help you see in the dark. And the new risk radar analyzes swarm data to warn about fog, low grip or accident long before they come into view. Innovation and performance are crucial for an iconic sports car. But that's not enough. You as a customer expect the best quality you can get. And that is what Porsche stands for. More than 70% of all 911 are still running. That's what sustainability means for us.